Best Rafael Saltaple, good morning po. Good morning sa lahat. Ito, it's my turn. Yusi pa. Ano po, duty ko po today. Ako po yung mag-prepare nila for school at ako ang maghatid kasi yung elder son namin nahuli na naman sa kanyang train. So, kailangan ni Mr. ihatid doon sa school nila. Ayan po. Ayan. What do you like? Chubo mong jikwa, Rafael Trisha. I love you. You don't like to eat? Among G. Lagay tayo ng what's this? Chocolate and cookies. Ito, cookies and 10. Mga 10 o'clock. Ayan, di ba may snacks? So, ito yung snacks nila. Isang orange, cookies, and chocolate.
This is my time now. I'm gonna be myself. I can be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my break.
Ayan po. Ito, yung isa kasi winala yung baonan niya. Kaya yan na muna yung baon niya. So ayan, biscuit, chocolate, tsaka yung nasa sa ilalim is orange. Tapos
Yes, it's good. I bring Gabrielle in 30 minutes to the train.
you can still catch the time
Yeah.
for his. Okay. So I put biscuits, no bread anymore, and then chocolates and fruits to his They always had bread every day. Don't make it every day, my love. They must have always twist. So he will be happy. So ayan po. Dito pala yung asawa ko. Siya na yung at least na ready ko na sila. Ihahatid na lang niya yung bunso. At yung isa naman pupunta na yan. Maybe after 20 minutes. Alis na. Good morning, my love. You say good morning to everyone. You say good morning to everyone. Who you see here, oh? Samo. Sige. Mga piso. Good morning.
Rafael.
Good morning.
Balik tayo sa bed. Ito kasi nag-edit ako kagabi. Madilim na ako. Late na ako natulog, guys. Nag-edit ako kagabi at late na ako natulog. So, kailangan natin bawiin natin yung 6 hours kahit hindi na talaga hindi na tama. Hindi ko talaga. Ayan po, update. Update po tayo. Check niyo po kung ano yung ginagawa ko. Gumawa po kasi ako ng video for premiere at kailangan kong mag-submit today. So, kailangan ko ng 13 minutes video for premiere para po makasali tayo sa may mga sinasalihan kasi akong mga grupo for YouTuber, guys. So ayan, gumawa po ako ng video at po ako ng chiffon cake. Gamit ko po yung lemon zest. And after that, i-upload ko mamaya. So, yan po ang ginagawa ko ngayon. Gusto ko sanang mag-grocery kasi hindi tayo nakapag-grocery kahapon. Pero, kasi, dapat may collab ako today. Tomorrow. Pero, yung video ko, hindi pa ready yung video ko. So, kailangan ko mag-adjust ng one day para makasali ako sa ating premiere. So, ayan po. Ayan po yung ating video. This video for premiere. So, ayan, continue na po tayo, guys.
I've been feeling so small. Watch the clock ticking off the wall. But tonight I'm letting it go. Spend my coin for sure. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks. I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out. So try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at these beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at these beautiful stars. I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me. Look at these beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Lay my troubles to rest. Blow the smoke through my cigarette. City lights looking fun, and I know this is my time now. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks. I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out. So try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at these beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at these beautiful stars. I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me, no, nothing can.
Gandang pagbalik. Ayan po. It's time to clean kasi eto, nakapag-transfer na tayo dito sa mga baking pan natin for cupcakes. Tapos ang gagawin po natin today, this time is to clean all the mess everywhere. Hopefully, successful ang ating cake. I think so. It's successful. Medyo saglit lang guys. Ayan. Medyo blurred but yes, successful po yan. Wee! Sarap! Ito na nga pala yung ating, hindi ko ilalapit guys kasi medyo may contain. Ayan. Ito na po yung ating finish cupcakes. Para ma-enjoy yung mga bata. Lagyan ko ng frosting. So, ayan lang po yung ating 4 snacks na ganap today. Tapos, hindi na kami nakapag-grocery ulit. Siguro mamayang hapon na nga. Ano ba yan? Hindi ko pa rin natapos ang paglilinis kasi naisipan ko maglagay ng frosting sa ating cupcake. So, ayun. Sure na to, maglilinis na talaga tayo. Okay, what did you eat?
Cupcake.
What will you say?
Thank you.
There yan. No, eat with the cake. Do not eat only with the top, my love. Tell him to eat all. So it's yummy. Kamsa. Oui, kamsa, Christian. Vivian. Sarap. Sarap yan. Sarap yan. That's many. That's for them. Ayan. Pangatlong beses na po nila. Oh, bring your plates there. Pang 3 times. Rafael, Bia. Bring your plate here. Dali. And you also. Christian. This one. You like strawberry at the top?
Yummy.
Yummy. Say goodbye, everyone. Enjoy watching. Please like and subscribe. Bye bye.